Okay, remember folks, if you ever have a very long drain line, it goes all the way to the wall, goes all the way over there through the wall. Now we're on the other side of the wall. I don't know if you can see it down in there. Yeah, maybe not. Comes all the way over to this corner. Comes all the way over to here. And it comes all the way out right there into that sump hole. But remember, if you ever have a problem, this is what you can do. If you have a problem back at the furnace, just drill a hole where it first comes out. Don't worry about a P-trap, just drill a hole.